In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import upload contacts to Odoo CRM. To get started, open Odoo CRM and go to the Contacts section. Click on Contacts, and this will take you to the area where all of your saved contact records are stored. Here you'll see your current list of contacts. This is the place where you can review existing entries before bringing in any new ones, which can be helpful if you want to avoid duplicates or simply confirm that you're in the right module. Once you're on this contacts page, look toward the top left corner and click the gear icon. This menu gives you access to additional actions related to the list you're viewing. From the options that appear, select Import. This will open the Import tool, which is what Odoo uses to bring in contact information from a file. On the import screen, download the template for contacts. Using the official template is important because it gives you the correct column structure expected by Odoo. That makes the import process much smoother and helps reduce formatting issues. After the template has been downloaded, open it and enter your contact information into the appropriate fields. Take your time here and make sure the details are organized correctly, since clean data will help your contacts import properly and be easier to manage later. Once you've added your contacts to the template and saved the file, return to the import page in Odoo and upload that completed file. This step sends your contact list into the system so Odoo can process and create the records for you. If your file matches the template correctly, the import should work smoothly and your contacts will be added to your CRM. This method is one of the easiest ways to add multiple contacts at once, especially if you're moving information from another system or setting up your CRM for the first time. It saves time compared to entering each contact manually and helps keep everything consistent, and that's all there is to it. You click Contacts, review your list, open the gear menu, choose Import, download the contacts template, fill it in, and upload the file back into Odoo. Once that's done, your contacts should be imported properly and ready to use.